So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadava classes. We are in standard 4 and we have started your environmental studies. So we have already started your first lesson, that is the life cycle of animals, and we have seen two pages among it. So we have seen the animals which lay eggs, which give birth to their young ones. There is a differences and the similarity between the animals. Okay, so let's go ahead today. आज पुढे जाऊया काय शिकायचं आपल्याला. Now, metamorphosis is what we have seen yesterday, the metamorphosis. So, what is metamorphosis? That uh, there is a difference. There is a difference between some animals when they grow. Okay, so they look different from their parents. So, butterflies of various shape and beautiful colors are a part of environment. They live in their life. They live their life among plants. You have seen there are very different colors butterflies and stuff. We have already seen, and you always see different types of butterflies. They are of different shapes, colors. So as butterflies grow, they pass through four stages. There are four stages of its growth. What are those stages? Egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Okay, and the adult stage is called as butterfly. The adult stage is na. Okay, this one it is known as butterfly. So let's see the plain tiger butterfly is very common example. See how these stages are occurring in its life. Plain tiger butterfly. So what happens first? The female tiger butterfly, she lays eggs. Just a minute. Okay. So what happens? She lays eggs. ठीक आहे. हे बघा रुईचं झाड आहे. मिल्कवीड म्हणतात. मिल्कवीड्स रुई. So it lays an egg. एकच अंड घालते याच्यावर. कोण? Female butterfly. Female tiger butterfly. She lays an egg. एक अंड घातलं. So in 6 to 8 days, what happens? The egg मधून a larva emerges. काय तयार होतो? Larva. And this larva is called as caterpillar. This larva is called as caterpillar. बघा, this is a caterpillar. So this caterpillar, when comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. त्याला खूप भूक लागलेली असते बघा. Very hungry. So what happens? तो काय करते? सगळी पानं जे आहेत नाही, सगळी पानं ज्या पानं असतो ती पानं सगळी रॅपिडली खाऊन घेतो. त्याची काय होते? वाढ होते. Its growth is very rapid. Its growth is very rapid. Okay. Now, egg हो गया. Then larva, that is caterpillar. Then what happens next? The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in first 2 weeks, first 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. तो एवढा खातो, एवढा वाढतो की does not fit in its skin. So, but under the old skinच्या मध्ये तो नवीन तयार होत असतो. Okay, a new loose skin is formed on the growing butterfly, on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin. This is known as molt. Okay, so old skin जे आहे ना, बाहेरची old skin तो शेड करतो आणि त्यातून तो बाहेर पडतो. Okay, it comes out of the old skin बाहेर पडतो. Then what happens again? आता पुढे करतो, again it begins to gobble up leaf. तो अजून leaf खातो, अजून पानं खातो, अजून leaves खातो, पानं खातो. The leaf continues to grow. अजून ते वाढत होत राहते. In 2-3 days, 2-3 दिवसात काय होतं बघा, it molts second time त्याची molting होते. Second time it sheds its own old skin पर change करतो तो, and in this way it molts 4 times. How many times? 4 times. So it remains caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. How many days? 10 to 12 days. Then just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts this time, it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. So the pupa of a butterfly is called as chrysalis. So this is a chrysalis, and this is the last stage of its molting, right? Now, what happens? अभी chrysalis मधून हळूच बाहेर पडतं काय? Butterfly. See, you can see it on the diagram. So butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. So it remains inside the chrysalis for next 11 to 12 days. 11-12 तो आतमध्येच राहतो butterfly. It does not eat anything. काहीच खात नाही. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place होतात. काय changes होतात बघा? The growth of plain tiger butterfly is completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly हळूहळू emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे बटरफ्लायला 4 attractive wings असतात. 6 legs असतात. किती पाय असतात? 6. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. Butterfly कोणता असू द्या, it grows through these 4 stages. त्याला अशा 4 stages मधून जावं लागतं. And finally you can see a very good and beautiful butterfly. Right? Getting? No. So each type of butterfly, for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on those those whose leaf its female egg lay is fixed. Okay, प्रत्येक बटरफ्लायचं फिमेल अंडे देण्याची जे काही पानं असतात, the leaves are fixed. Okay, कोण प्रत्येक कुठेही अंडे ते देत नाही. So the time the larva to emerge from the egg is different from different type of butterfly. प्रत्येक different type आहे. This is a great variety in caterpillars. Okay, there is a great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. Okay, there is a difference of very caterpillars. Now, see, there are various caterpillars. किती सुंदर सुंदर असे butterflies तुम्हाला पाहायला मिळतात. Okay, butterflies. Getting? Now, you know very well that की butterfly कुठे येतात ते फुलांवर जगतात. So what we have learned till the date आजपर्यंत काय शिकलो बघा आपण. First, a hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out of it. Then you have seen the egg, caterpillar, larvae, that is larva, chrysalis and pupa. These are the adult. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis and adult are the 4 stages of the butterfly's life cycle. The plain tiger butterfly lays eggs on the milkweed plant. कोणतं plant आहे? Milkweed. ठीक आहे? Then and larva emerges from the egg. It is called as caterpillar. Caterpillar ची complete growth होते in the chrysalis, and finally adult butterfly you get with attractive 4 wings and 6 legs. Getting, guys? Sure. Now we'll see. Always remember what we need to remember, that butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. Butterflies पकडू नका. They are very much important in the environment. समजा त्याला पकडू नका. चलो एक काम करूया. क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आय थिंक विल टेक क्वेश्चन्स टुमॉरो. तुम्हाला उद्या क्वेश्चन्स तुम्हाला सांगतो, म्हणजे तुम्हाला थोडंसं रिलॅक्स्डपणे तुम्हाला मिळेल. सो व्हॉट यू डू, हे लिहून काढा. व्हॉट वी लर्न हे लिहून काढा. त्यानंतर दिस पेज ऑल्सो, हे पेज अँड लास्ट पेज ऑल्सो, हे सुद्धा पेज लिहून काढा. सो इट इज व्हेरी गुड. तुमचं गुड हँडरायटिंग पण होऊन जाईल अँड थोडासा अभ्यास पण होऊन जाईल. सो टुमॉरो विल सी विथ द टुमॉरो विल सी क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर्स. ठीक आहे, चलो बाय एव्हरीवन. Have a good day. We'll see question answers next time.